Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. We are from Group 3. Our group name is 4 plus 2 because we have 6 members with 1 girl and 5 boys. Today we would like to present our lab report 2 for the subject Water Quality and Management of Aquaculture.
Name is Muhammad Al-Faris bin Muhammad Zuhairi, matrix number S54993, and I will give a talk about introduction to our assignment. Water is a main important medium for living organisms like fish and other organisms. Examples of water quality are pH, temperature, salinity, turbidity, and more. Every fish species have a different requirement for living and growing. A fast growing and healthy fish indicate that they were living in a perfect condition. Today, fish are become high demand because fish are protein reservoirs for humankind. From this point, an aquaculture project must be conducted to sustain this protein resource. A huge mortality will occur if the water quality were changing rapidly and make aquaculturists facing a great loss due to this problem. As a Bachelor of Fisheries student, we must have a deep research on how to maintain the water quality. In this assignment, our group will discuss about first water quality parameter. Second one is a main journal that being used as information brainstorming, and the last one is our vision toward future aquaculture project. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will present about the summary. The journal paper selected is a research paper with the title Reducing the Parameter of Fish Pond Water Quality. It was an open access. The paper was published on 2016 with 2 author lists, Chong Neng Su and Claude E. Boyd. Claude E. Boyd is a corresponding author. This paper volume is 465 with the page 359 to 366. This study developed a way to reduce the number of water quality of fish pond, so aquaculture farmers can save money and time to know the status of water quality and comply with the standards for aquaculture effluents. At the end of the experiment, over the 7 parameters, by building regression models and calculating the prediction accuracy of the models, POM was selected as the most suitable variable for evaluating the water quality of fish ponds. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Afab Zaidi. My metric number is S55296. Okay, my journal title is Water Quality Considerations for Aquaculture. Okay, the type of journal is review paper. The author list is Robert C. Sommerfeld. Type of journal is open access and the year published is 1998. Okay, to summarize, water source has 2 types, groundwater and the surface water. The groundwater is the most suitable water to use because it less contaminated by pathogens or fish. It also consistent diurnal and seasonally in quality than the surface water. Okay, for the chemical quality, such as temperature, dissolved oxygens, pH, carbon dioxide, alkalinity and ammonia must be considered by the aquaculturists in order to produce the good products.
After that I will continue to summary article 3. For journal title that I choose is Effect of Mechanical Aeration in the Waste Treatment Cell of Slip Pond Aquaculture. Type of journal is research paper and open access. The author list is Lauren N.J. and Claude E. Boyd and Gregory and Wistic, which is the Claude E. Boyd is responding author. The year of publish is 2017 and the volume of this paper is 480 and the pages is 22 to 41. Next is mean feeding for this research paper. This research paper focus to number 1 is to conducted the commercial catfish farm in West Alabama that has 8 split pond. Number 2 is 10 to 33 floating electric paddle wheels aerator were placed in the waste cell of each of 4 ponds. Number 3 is to determine water quality in split pond. After that is to assistance of aeration in the waste cell. 88 would be beneficial to water quality.
My name is Muhammad Shafiq Zubair Muhammad Shafi'i, S55274. Okay, today I will conclude journal that my group has been choose. Okay, for the first one is for reducing the monitoring parameters of fish pond water quality. And from this journal, it said that the concentration of particular organic matter, the short name is POM, was recommended as the single variable. Because of the POM can reduce the number of analysis necessary to access the water quality of fish pond, and he could save the money and time to farmer for control the water quality. Okay, and that is for the first journal. And for the second journal that I want to conclude is for water quality consideration for aquaculture. And from this journal, he also say that the major source of the oxygen is from algae. Yes, because of the algae and plant also can do the photosynthesis process to produce the oxygen. Okay, and also the second one is for the groundwater is more suitable use for aquaculture because compared to the surface water, because of the level of the parameter that in the groundwater is more comfortable or suitable for the fish that we want to capture. The level of ammonia is low, the level of dissolved oxygen is 1 milligram per liter, and also the turbidity is low. It means he have a clean water and very good for the thing that we want to culture. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Razin Danish bin Muhammad Zukri, and my matric number is S55944. Okay, now I will continue for the conclusion. Okay, for the conclusion, for the journal effect of mechanical aeration in the waste treatment cells of split ponds aquaculture 5 system on water quality. Okay, for the first point is ionized and unionized ammonia nitrogen proportion were the same concentration in the water that will live in the fish cell. However, ammonia nitrogen concentration were lower in water entering the fish cell in the treatment ponds rather than the control ponds. Okay, for the point number 2 is split ponds should be designed and managed to facilitated complete mixing of water within each cell and good circulation between cells. It is likely that that if the waste cell is too large for the specific pump used in the present study will with no baffle in the waste cell, so short circuiting of flow between the fish cell and waste cell will result in a redirection in remediation by the waste cells.